Supervised learning is one type of machine learning that AI uses to train algorithms. Recommendation engines used by Google, Amazon, and streaming services like Netflix rely on supervised learning to train their applications to provide choices fitted to their users' preferences. An AI model needs training and testing before it can begin to make recommendations. This is done using labeled data in supervised learning. For example, a dataset may contain labels such as age, gender, and movie preference. Supervised learning prepares the dataset for training and testing by separating the labels into columns of input and output. One best practice is to use 80% of the data for training and the remaining 20% for testing. The training process requires both input and output data. During the process, the model learns various relationships within the dataset. For example, what type of movies a person of a certain age and gender prefers. When the training is over, the model then goes through testing to determine accuracy. This involves using the remaining 20% of the dataset. However, during testing, the model only receives the input portion, from which the model makes its best prediction based on its training. So if the model knows that 20-year-old males like one type of movie, while 40-year-old males prefer a different type, the model can then predict the preference of a 25-year-old male. Comparing the model's prediction with the output data demonstrates the model's accuracy. Of course, in supervised learning, the size of the training data will impact accuracy, especially in real-world environments. So if you want a very accurate model, you will need a very large dataset. So in supervised learning, AI models are trained to make predictions using labeled data. The accuracy of these predictions will depend on the size of the dataset. Today, supervised learning builds applications that can predict individual preferences.